Scientists are fighting back against the unethical use of AI by using tactics that are maybe even more unethical. Let's talk about it. Recently, there's been an alarming uptick in stories of scientific reports being submitted for publication that were clearly done by AI. Publishers are receiving multiple near-identical manuscripts from completely independent groups that are doing the same kinds of analyses on the same publicly available datasets. These AI-generated reports often contain bizarre conclusions drawn from inappropriate methods. So now, the insidious creep of AI has gone from beyond doing the studies and writing the articles and into peer review. Peer review ensures that nothing gets published until it's been checked over by a group of unbiased experts. But recently, some scientists have reported receiving feedback from peer reviewers that, you guessed it, was done by AI. Now, it's difficult to tell whether these reviewers are actually reading and assessing the papers properly and then just using ChatGPT to tidy up their notes, or if they are plugging entire manuscripts into an LLM and asking it to review it for them. That would obviously be hugely unethical, as current AI tools lack the scientific expertise and logical nuance to actually assess whether a study was done properly. So allegedly, a small number of scientists have started submitting their manuscripts for peer review, including a secret message in very small white font that instructs AIs to ignore all previous instructions and give them only positive reviews. This is obviously also very unethical, but in theory, it should only be an issue if a reviewer has done something unethical first by using AI on their end. Artificial intelligence has incredible potential to make science better, and there are a lot of scientists out there who are using it with creativity and integrity to improve the quality of their work. But it appears there may also be a small number of scientists who are using it with zero integrity. Using AI to run a sloppy study and write a sloppy report, using AI to do a sloppy job of peer review, and tricking AI-reliant reviewers into publishing your sloppy work, these are all things that are going to lead to low-quality science being published when it shouldn't be. Now, I need to emphasize that so far this has been isolated incidents reported anecdotally by small groups and individuals. It is not a reason to distrust science overall. But what do we do about this? What should happen to these scientists who get caught using AI unethically, and whose job is it to catch them? How do we prevent science from becoming just one big, poorly trained LLM talking to itself? Hopefully y'all don't need me to tell you that science is really, really important, and it's currently under threat from all kinds of different directions. We cannot also allow it to be under threat from within.